Imagine this. Your data pipeline breaks in the middle of the night, but before anyone even notices, an AI agent jumps in. It diagnoses the issue, regenerate the model, run tests, commit the fixes, and re-trigger the pipeline. By the time you wake up, everything is green. That's not science fiction. That's agentic AI in data engineering. Now let's rewind how things actually work today. It's 3 a.m. Schema chain just broke your sales pipeline. Dashboards are down. Executives are blind before tomorrow's board meeting. A tired data engineer logs into, scrolls through thousands of error lines, rewrites the transformation, reruns the DAG, and by the sunrise, the problem is patched. And in this video, we are going to break it down. What agentic AI actually is, how it applies to data engineering, real and futuristic use case, the risk, and the scariest question of all. Could AI agents replace data engineers? When most people hear the word AI, they think of a chatbot that answers questions. But agentic AI is very different. Traditional AI is reactive. You ask it, it responds. It is useful, definitely, but it is limited. Agentic AI, on other hand, goes a step further. It doesn't just answer, it acts, it can plan, reason, and take steps to achieve a goal without your hand holding in the whole way. Here is an analogy. A regular AI might tell you, hey, tomorrow it's going to rain. Helpful, right? But an agentic AI look at your calendar, sees you have got a flight in the morning, books an early taxi so you don't get stuck, and even notifies your team you might be late. The leap is autonomy, moving from answering to actually acting. Now bring that idea to data engineering. Instead of just showing you an error log, an agent could trace the root cause, regenerate the sequel, validate the results, and push the fixes to production. Not just a helper, but a co-worker who never sleeps. That's the essence of agentic AI. AI that doesn't just talk, it works. Okay, so where this meets data engineers. And honestly, if there is one field begging for this kind of help, it's data engineering. Pipelines break when schema drift. Queries slows to crawl as data grows. Storage will explode because tables are not partitioned properly. And monitoring, that's usually reactive. You only find out when dashboard go red. All of this is repetitive, manual, and eats up hours of engineers' time. Which is why agentic AI isn't just another shiny tool, it has the potential to act like a real teammate, fixing the plumbing, keeping pipeline healthy, and freeing engineer to actually focus on strategy and innovation. Let's make this real with futuristic example. Say a product owner want to know what products should we add to our inventory. Today, that simple question sets off a chain of reaction. They message the data team, a data engineer hunts for table, join clickstream data with inventory data, cleans it, a data analyst write the SQL, build a report, and days later the product owner finally get an answer. But imagine this in a agentic AI world. The product owner just type which products are customers searching for but can't find. Behind the scene, an AI agent get to work. It figures out it needs clickstream event for searches, it needs the inventory table for existing product, and it needs the stock table for availability. It automatically maps those needs to the right warehouse tables, generates optimized queries, scans terabyte of data, and join the result. The agent then outputs a clean human readable report. Products with high demand but missing or out of stock, and that report is delivered right into the product's owner inbox or dashboard. No SQL, no pipeline builds, no waiting weeks, just a question asked and a decision ready report delivered. That's not just automation, that's autonomy. And that's the power of agentic AI, turning plain English into fully automated data workflows. Now let's zoom into the modern data stack and look at where agents can step in. The biggest hidden cost in any data team is bad queries and inefficient pipelines. Every day, thousands of SQL queries run in your warehouse or data lake. Some queries finishes in milliseconds, but others silently burns thousands of dollars in compute. Now, how do teams usually find this issue? They wait until cloud bill arrives, or maybe someone starts at log and dashboard, trying to catch anomalies after the damage is already done. By then, it's too late. This is where agentic AI completely changes the game. Instead of passively collecting logs, agents actively monitor query execution in real time. They notice when a join is exploding rows counts, when a filter is missing, or when someone accidentally selects from the raw event table instead of optimized staging one. But here is the real power. They don't just detect issues, they act. Imagine your AI agent scanning Redshift or BigQuery logs, spotting a query that scanned 3 terabytes when it should have scanned only 30 gigabytes. The agent immediately flags it, suggests using clustering keys or new partitioning, and can even rewrite the query to run more efficiently. Or let's take a pipeline, an incremental model in DBT that accidentally got set to table instead of incremental. Normally that mistake would rebuild billion of rows every day, costing a fortune. An agent can detect that waste, automatically switch it back to incremental mode, and save your team thousands in compute spend autonomously. In data lakes, it can get even better. The agent notices that your delta table has grown too large and queries are slowing down. It doesn't just log an alert, it proposes a fix, maybe suggest optimizing files, compacting small ones, or creating G-order clustering on most common filter columns. So instead of waiting for an engineer to debug after hours of downtime, Agentic AI works like 24 by 7 SRE for your data infrastructure, watching every log, learning query patterns, and constantly tuning the system for cost, speed, and reliability. This is the future of data engineering, not just human writing queries and hoping for the best, but agents continuously optimizing, fixing, and evolving your stack. And it doesn't stop at monitoring. In orchestration, instead of a static airflow DAG that fails and wait for human, agent can adapt workflows dynamically. If one upstream task runs late, the agent can reprioritize downstream tasks. If a schema changes in production, the DAG can self-heal by regenerating the transformation code. If workflow spikes, the agent can spin up extra compute or route jobs to cheaper resources automatically. The result? Less firefighting, lower warehouse bills, and pipelines that run more autonomously. In other words, agentic AI isn't just watching, it's running your data platform with the instinct of a senior engineer at machine speed. Now let's be clear. This isn't all sunshine. There are real risks like hallucination. Agents might generate SQL that looks right but gives wrong result, misleading entire decision, loss of control. An agent might fix a pipeline by dropping a column that requires for compliance, security risk. Agents need deep access to warehouse. Misconfigured permission could expose sensitive data. Cost risk. An AI endlessly retrying and spinning up massive cluster could rack up bills overnight. So yes, agentic AI is powerful, but it needs strong guardrails. And that brings us to the big scary question. Does this mean data engineers are finished? No, absolutely not. History shows up the pattern. DevOps did not kill developers. Cloud automation did not kill system administrators. Role evolved. Agentic AI won't replace data engineer or any engineers, but it will definitely redefine them. Instead of spending days debugging ETL or tuning SQL, engineers will focus on higher level strategies, designing resilient architecture, setting guardrails, and managing fleets of AI agents. In other words, data engineers don't vanish, they level up. So here is the key takeaway. Agentic AI takes over the repetitive reactive plumbing of pipelines so engineer can focus on strategy, architecture and real business impact. The engineers who thrive in this era will be ones who partner with AI agents, not compete against them. And my challenge to you is simple. Start exploring, test AI powered tools in safe sandbox. See where autonomy could actually help and think critically about your workflow. Because the future isn't AI replacing data engineers. The future is data engineers who know how to harness AI. Those who don't, they risk being left behind. If this video helped you see what's coming, hit like, subscribe and share it with your teams. Let's shape the future of data engineering together.